Things I'm looking into is replacing this button right here. It doesn't actually click, like it's just flat, and my trunk doesn't open. The keys are dead. So, well, obviously I need to replace the keys as well, but this latch here doesn't work. So I'm gonna you know, remove this panel, see what I could do with this latch right here. So I removed the 2 Phillips screws, and there's also 2 right here, 2 hexes. Remove the panel under the dash, and here you go. This is the button that doesn't work. Spring popped right out of the dash, like popped completely out. So it could just be like a spring issue, like that this was just jammed in there, and I might not have to replace the wiring or the button or anything like that, and I could just fix this. So I found this round button that conveniently fits through the hole, you see? Doesn't move. That works. So you just click it, it will open the trunk, and you would have to unclick it to remember that, you know. So this piece right here is fucked up, so I'm just gonna end up removing it. And the car will be more muscle and less sporty, but you know, it's literally dripping off. So I removed it. It was pretty easy. It kind of just broke off. Like I just pulled on it and it broke. But the actual clips themselves that are on there, you could just apply pressure right here and it'll like close, it'll open it, will close it for you so that it could come out easily. And then there's little screws back here as well, but it broke, so I didn't have to take it off first. And that'll remove everything. So now I'm going to attempt to fix this loose windshield. So that starts with first removing this Phillips head here to remove that piece. Now, so after removing the mirror, I can see that the reason why it's so jagged is right here. The screws are inside rather than holding it. So this mirror is held by this piece right here, and that piece is loose, so that's what moves the mirror. So after removing the screws and putting them back the correct way, you see now they're on top of this little lip right here. It should not move anymore. See, there's no give anymore. So now that I've put it back and tightened up the nuts, you can see that it doesn't move as much as it did before. Obviously it will still move, you know, that's just how things work, but see, there's no give anymore. That's one thing fixed. It's fucking raining. Let's see if that stays. Oh, no, it doesn't. Oh, fuck, it sounds beautiful. It's raining though.